How to create marketing video on Canva PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create marketing video on Canva easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva. Now go to the top corner and click on create a design. Now go to the video option, click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down until you find marketing video. Click see all, choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose let's choose this one, for example. Now all what you have to do is edit the text and anything from here. After you finish, go to the top and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.